Hey guys, welcome back to the video, and today we're gonna be playing some Mad City, and we're gonna be doing some stuff. So in today's video, we're gonna try. It's empty. Why do you? Okay, so okay, so why is everything empty? So like, look at all of these criminals. Okay, and I have been playing, and I got something to show y'all. You know, it's pretty image. Now, I'm gonna do this. I'm ready to play. Show me it. Oh no! Let's go. Ready? Ah, yes! That was easy. Now let's get the plane. I'm not in the person. We're alive! So, it's time to go and escape. Woo! It's time to escape. Yeah, time to escape. There we go. So, now can I spawn my plane in? Okay. Oh, under the passengers, we are about to take off. So, if you could please take a seat and proceed with our drills. Thank you. So, thank you for choosing Mad City plane. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little ride. Thank you. Okay, I told everybody that I'm the pilot, which isn't a very good thing, because I can't drive an airplane. I can't drive a plane. I can drive a helicopter, but not a plane, because I just bought it today. I don't know how to do this. So hopefully we can figure it out. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Captain speaking. We're kind of going a little bit of ambulance, so if you could just sit back and kind of relax. Oh, we kind of hit some stuff, but it's fine. Over. For Captain, and now. Skirt. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to land at our. We're about to land at our destination. So if you could, and patiently get up out of your seats, and now you may run the cabin. Thank you. Okay, now it's time to land. Let's get a little bit of a parking. Let's go around again. Don't worry, guys. I'm a professional. Okay, I think we're gonna go around here. We're gonna go around here, and we're gonna go around again. Then, ladies and gentlemen, we have reached our destination. And see, I told you guys, I'm a measure perfect. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're at our stop. So if you can get out, you may now get out. You're welcome, and thank you for flying Mad City. You're welcome. Okay, so it looks like I have another duty in a minute, so I gotta get all the stuff I need. And I'm gonna put my grenades. I don't know why a pilot would have grenades, but I'm gonna do this. I have a dream. It is to become a nice pilot. Okay, now let's get our plane. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for boarding Mad City. So now today we're going to be going to our destination. So everybody just sit back and relax. Over. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, our destination is ahead. Thank you for boarding Mad City. So you're welcome, sir. Thank you. Thank you for boarding Mad City. Thank you. And we are at our destination. You're welcome, and thank you for boarding Mad City. You're welcome. Here we go. Near. Never gone. In this video, I'm gonna do an obby because I'm pretty good at obbies. Wait, you're new. Okay, you're only level 10. I'm level 41. And in Fortnite, I'm tier 83 in tier 76. It's almost over. Blah 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 blah. Okay, so now we don't have much time. And watch this. And shaboom. It's so lag. It's lagging. Boom. I'm singing. Boom. It's time to go in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, it's time. So now I'm gonna take this plane. I'm gonna enter it. Guys, this is really not my plane. But I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna take this plane. So, shh. Don't tell anybody that I took the plane. Don't tell anybody. Serious. Don't tell anybody I took the plane. Serious. Don't tell anybody I took the plane. Hey, yo. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So OB. Okay, robbery success. So now let's look at the challenges that we gotta do. Let's see our next rewards. And 40. Ooh, I want the punk wheels. I'm about to get the punk wheels. And that one. Get the punk wheels. I really want the car. Is pretty awesome. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for. I hope you had a nice trip on the island. But now it is time to leave. So thank you for boarding on our flight, and hopefully you had a safe flight back home. Okay. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we are changing courses to the volcano. So time to go to the volcano. Over. Okay, so we are changing courses to the volcano. I don't know why you want to go to the volcano, but okay. Christmas time is here. I'm already singing Christmas songs. Kumbaya, kumbaya, my lord, kumbaya. In this video, we're also Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time because now we are going to be trying. Long time. Okay, now ladies and gentlemen, we are here at our destination. So, let's do this. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's do this. Let's do this. For Narnia. For freaking Narnia. Let's do this. I'm gonna get that plane. I swear. I'm gonna get it. And I'm gonna be a hero. And everybody's gonna be like, wow, you did it. Oh, wow. Ready? Watch this. Oh, that hurt. Ow. I got burnt a little bit. I got burnt a little bit. So I'm just gonna wait until my health goes back up. So now it's going back up. See, it's going good. But watch this. How did that even touch me? How did that even touch me? I don't know how that even touched me. So now. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are now going to our real destination, the airport. Hopefully you had a safe and nice trip on the island, on the Mad City Island. So now, thank you for joining us. Who's shooting at me? Okay, it's time to go. Let's go. No, change courses. We're going to the volcano, ladies and gentlemen. And so when we are actually going to the volcano, we change courses again. So now we're going to the volcano. And hopefully, we could fight the boss and get the awesome, the spectacular new car. Because I really want to get the new car because it looks like really cool and it's better than this. Okay, so. Okay, it says, what does it say? So guys, this is gonna end this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. And if you like me playing Mad City, and if you really do, then comment. And if we can get 300 likes on this video, I will do more Mad City. And probably not face cam, probably. I don't know. So I hope you guys like this video. See you guys later. Goodbye.